Hello guys, so welcome back to the YouTube channel. So a lot of people have been asking how can they monetize your website, and in this video I've decided to talk to you guys on how to monetize your website. So if this is your first time watching me or coming across this YouTube channel, all I encourage you to do is to click on the subscribe button, like this video and share to someone that also needs it. So let's get started. How do you monetize a website? What is the trick? What is the best way to monetize a website? I've been a web developer for years now, and I own my personal website. I own a blogging website, a marketplace website, and so on. I own up to 12 websites, and these websites are monetized. And I want to show you the best way that I monetize this website. So follow me. As I said before, first click on the subscribe button. Let's go. Alright. So the first way to monetize your website is through AdSense. Right. So AdSense is one of the best way to monetize your website. You could use AdSense like ads company like Google Ads, Ezoic, Mediavine. There are a lot of Adstera. There are a lot of AdSense company out there, or AdSense publisher company, that will actually give you ads to place on your website, and then they'll pay you to actually do this. So the best among the best is Google Ads. I've used Google Ads for years, and I can recommend them because of their auto ad placement. Now with their auto ad placement, you make a lot compared to other ads or ad publisher. Yes, compared to other ad publisher. So number one I would recommend to you is Google advertisement, because it's actually good and okay, but that's not the best way, right? The best way, let's go. Number two, it might not be the best for you, but I think it's actually one of the best, which is affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is another method you can use to monetize your website. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing in concept is actually you selling someone else's product on your website, right? So a typical example, I'm a web developer. I have a platform that talks about web development, website and all that. Now someone owns the web hosting, just like Namecheap, Bluehost, Togohost and the rest of them. They own the web hosting. Now I could get their affiliate link and then put on my website. Now suppose I'm talking about how to purchase a domain name, I could say something like you could buy from Namecheap and then interlink that Namecheap to the external link, which is namecheap.com, with my own affiliate link. Now when someone click on that affiliate link by wanting to purchase, I get certain percentage. I think on Namecheap I get $5 to $10 depending, and on Bluehost I get up to $65, right? On Nessus I get up to $100. You understand? So that is another method I use in monetizing my platform. Now you can actually use impact.com to sign up for this affiliate marketing agency or company if you want to get started with affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing is my number 2 best, according to my own ratings. It's my number 2 best because I've actually used it and seen how much you can make within a short period of time with affiliate marketing. So number 3 method you can actually use to make money from your website is selling your own course. Now that is actually my best because I have control over everything. Selling your own course, with you could teach people, if you know how to do something more than anyone on your website. For example, you have a tutorial website where you teach people how to do things. Like for us now, we teach you how to build a website, how to do this. Now you can create a course on how to build a website, and people, after reading your blog or going through your website, they want to take that course. And when they take that course, you make your own money, right? You make your own money because it is cool, easy, and doesn't stress you. There's no third party involved, just you taking your time to create a course, and then at the end of the day you get paid for it, right? You share no commission with anybody. So course for me is actually the number 1 best way to monetize your website. Now number 4, if I'm right, number 4 should be selling digital products. This is my number 2 best before affiliate marketing. Now the reason is digital products are created once. Now courses can also fall into digital product, but a lot of people actually refer to digital products as ebooks, right? Ebooks, scripts, for if you're a web developer. So a lot of people actually refer to them as that. So if you're going to do that, you're going to be able to package all your ideas into a book and then sell to the general public through your own platform. So selling digital products is another way to monetize your platform or your website, right? So I think that is also another good way, because I have made a lot of money from it, and I have sold my digital product through seller, and If I check recently, I've made, for this month alone, I've made more than $2,000 just doing that, right? So another way to actually monetize your website is to sell yourself. Yes, sell your services, sell what you can do, sell what you can do to people. If you are actually a developer and you talk about your website, talk about website, how to do website and all that, you could sell your services to people. At the end of your blog post, you could tell them that if you don't have the time to build your website for you, I'm actually available to build it for you at a custom fee. And when they are actually cool with the fee you actually give them, they will actually build the website with you. So the service is also another way to make money. Then the last way is selling ad space on your platform. Now these are the ones that I've actually tried. I did a lot of them before, and most of them didn't yield positive result, but these ones I just mentioned, they yield positive result. So selling ad space is actually good. For example, someone wants to advertise this on our website, and I come to you and say, okay, I want to put a banner space on your website, or someone wants to advertise their business, they can put a banner on your own website and then they pay you for it. So selling ad space is my last step to actually monetizing your website. I hope these steps actually help you to monetize your website, because they are currently helping me, and if you utilize them, they will actually help you. If you have any issue with any of the steps, please let me know in the comment, and I will get back to you and respond to the issue, or create a video addressing it. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button once again, like this video, share to somebody that needs it, and I will see you on the next video that's going to pop up on your screen. So bye for now.